All right. This is the answer key to the 8.2 ellipse practice quiz. We're going to start off with number 1 here. It says, find the vertices of the ellipse defined by the equation x minus 3 squared over 4 plus y minus 4 squared over 25 equals 1. If necessary, round to the nearest tenth. Okay. So I'm going to kind of sketch this ellipse a little bit to the right here. So I think a great place to start, he tells us it's an ellipse. We know roughly what it's going to look like. A good place to start is the center. Where's the center of this ellipse? I'll take a hand. Is it going to be 4, 3 or 3, 4? Which one is it? 4, 3 or 3, 4?
3, 4.
It's going to be 3, 4 because you get your x coordinate from the x variable, the y coordinate from the y variable.
I'm on the wrong one. My bad.
All good. 3, 4 is going to be right up here. Now we want the vertices. So we look at these two numbers. One of these is going to be b, and one of these is going to be a, or b squared and a squared. Which one's b squared, which one's a squared? I'll take a hand. No hand. Okay. Well, a squared is going to be the bigger number. A squared is going to be 25. That means a is going to be 5. And a tells us where the vertices are. This is what we wanted. My b squared is going to be 4. That means that b is 2. And if this question was asking for the co-vertices, it would be the 2 that would give you the co-vertices. So my a is underneath y. That means I would go 5 up and 5 down from this point. Right, this is a right here. And so if this was 3, 4, then this point up here would be 3, 9. And then this point down here would be 3, negative 1. So my vertices would be 3, negative 1 and 3, 9. Did we get 3, 9 and 3, negative 1?
Yeah, I actually did.
Did anyone else get 3, 9 and 3, negative 1?
No.
Or you understand how I got that?
Yeah.
So
You can just ignore B at this point because
Yeah.
it doesn't even matter.
if it asks for our co-vertices, we would add and subtract 2 to the left and right, to get the co-vertices, but it's only asked for the vertices. You figure out the center, you get the A, and you either go up and down or side to side 5. How do you know if you're going up or down or side to side?
Because if the bigger number's under 25, then it's up.
Yeah, if it's under the Y,
Yes,
it's up and down. If it's under the X, it's side to side. Okay, let's do number 2. Determine the equation of the ellipse with a center of 4, 3 and a focus of 16, 3 and a vertex of 19, 3. Let's go ahead and just plot the points. 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, right here. 16, 3, 1, 2, 3, right here. And 19, 3. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 3 here. Okay? So this is a vertex. I'm going to label it V. This is a focus F. And this is the center C. Okay? You need to know that the distance from the center to the focus is what value? That's your C. Okay. The distance from the center to the vertex is your A. Okay. So we can say that C, this distance here to here, equals
Square.
12.
Oh.
And A equals 15. Ellipses are symmetrical, so I could also go 12 the other way. So this is 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3. Right, so I have my other vertex and other focus over here. I need to get B. The equation for ellipses is c squared equals a squared minus b squared. So 144, thank you, equals 225 minus b squared. Now this is looking better. Now we would get b squared equals 81 and b is 9. Okay? So that if b is 9, that means I would go up 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there we go. I have my ellipse. Okay. We know it's an ellipse. We're going to write our equation. So it's going to be x minus something squared plus y minus something squared equals 1, and it's over something squared and over something squared. What's my center point? What's this x value going to be here? X minus what? It's going to be 4, because that's our center coordinate. My y value would be 3. Okay? your A is 12, so then, sorry, your A is 15, so 15 squared would go down here, and then 9 squared would go here. Okay, that's it. So we have x minus 4 squared over 15 squared plus y minus 3 squared over 9 squared equals 1.
Can we leave it in that 15 square? Or do we need
That's
to-
fine. If you leave it like this, that's perfect. If you put 225 and 81, I'd take that as well.
How do you know,
It's 9
wait, how do I know to put 15 squared under that one and 9 squared under
squared.
this?
So because it's wider than it is tall, our vertices are on the are horizontal, right, not vertical. That tells you it's under the x,
Okay.
right? This is telling me to go 15 out, right and left. This is telling me to go 9 up and down.
Okay, I got you.
Any questions on 2? Okay. Last question. This is
There's 2 more questions.
well, this is our last one of the practice quiz.
Okay.
So this is written in general form, right? We're not in that nice conic form, so we need to convert this to conic form by completing the square. We did this a couple of lessons ago. The first step is going to be to move this constant over. We're going to do minus 36 both sides, and then we're going to group the x terms, the y terms together down here. So we're going to have 9x squared plus 36x minus 16y squared plus 16y squared plus 96y equals negative 36. We're then going to take out the greatest common numerical factor from the x's and the y's. So we're going to take out a 9 here. We're going to get 9x squared plus 4x. And then we're going to take out a 16 here. So it's going to be plus 16 parentheses y squared. Is it 6? It's 6, isn't it? Yeah. Y squared plus 6y. Good with me so far?
Yep.
We're now going to complete the square. To complete the square, you got to get your b, and then you got to get your b over 2 squared. So b is 4 here, b is 6 here. B over 2 squared is also going to be 4, right? Because it's just 2 squared is 4.
Yeah.
And b over 2 squared here is going to be 9. Okay? We're going to add that 4 here. We're going to add the 9 there. Kind of running out of space here. So we're going to have 9 x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 16 y squared plus 6y plus 9. And then on the right side, we're going to add the 9 and the 4, but we have to multiply them by this 9 and this 16. So we're going to get negative 36 plus 9 times 4 plus 16 times 9. Okay? You follow me so far? Are we okay? Okay. So now I can rewrite this as a perfect square, which is pretty nice. Kind of need more space here. Some paper. We will write this as 9x plus 2 quantity squared plus 16y plus 3 quantity squared. And then what is this all? Did anybody do this? What does this all add up to equal on the right? Negative 36 plus, that's 36, so that's 0. So I just need 16 times 9. 444? 144. Okay, so it's 144. Last step here is we're going to divide everything by what? We got to get this to equal, this has to equal 1, so we're going to divide everything by 144. 144, 144. We'll just write that as the simplest fraction. So this is the same as x plus 2 squared over 16. And this is the same as y plus 3 squared over 9. And this is 1.
Because 16 divided by 144.
Yeah. So you can just, I did 144 divided by 9 is 16, and 144 divided by 16 is 9. These will always come out nicely, and you'll always have a 1 on top. Okay.
You really sound nasally.
I am nasally. All right. What is this question asking? We're trying to get the covertices. Okay. We're just going to draw it, and then I'll just tell you again what everything is. What is this? Can I get some classroom participation, please, for this last question? I would love that. What is the center of this ellipse?
Negative 2, negative 3.
Negative 2, negative 3. Very good. Negative 2, negative 3, right there. Okay. What is my a squared going to be?
16.
It's going to be 16.
16.
Thank you. A squared is going to be 16. That means a is 4.
But we don't really need to know A if we're finding covertices.
Yeah.
We just need to find 9 meaning.
You're absolutely right. I'm just going to do the whole thing just cuz.
We know, but we go from the. We don't have to. We just go from the center and then we go 3 to the right, 3 to the left.
Why? Ooh.
No, 3 up and 3 down.
Yes, it's 3 up and 3 down. That's my next question. Or we're going to go 4 left, 4 right, 4 up, 4 down. We're going to go 4 left and 4 right because it's underneath the x. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. That's going to be your vertices. Your b squared is then 9 and your b is 3. So you go 3 up, 1, 2, 3, 3 down, 1, 2, 3. And we have our ellipse and our vertices are here and here. Our co-vertices are here and here. So the answer would be -2, 0 and -2, -6. Those would be your co-vertices. If you wanted to find, just for bonus, if you wanted to find the foci, you'd have to do c squared equals a squared minus b squared. So c squared would equal 16 minus 9, which is 7. So c would equal root 7, and that would be, roughly here and here on the graph. Sorry, let me show you that. You can't see it. How long has that been covered for? No, nobody told me. Oh dear. We're not paying attention.
We're just following like.
Okay, you're following my voice.
Yes.
Okay, so that's the quiz. I would recommend doing 8.2.1 and 8.2.2 delta for extra practice, and just watching this video over and over again. Okay.
Wait, am I in the video?
Oh yeah, you're in it.
Are you still recording?
Oh, it's still recording.
Ah.
All right. Everybody say bye.